I'm so excited. I hope she turns up. Hello, Willow. How do you do? It's so wonderful to meet you from over the pond.
It's wonderful to meet you too, Harry. Oh, I love your bow tie. It's so cute.
It's Larry, actually. How you doing, Princess?
Oh, I'm doing just great, Laz. I've been filming all week my Netflix docuseries about my rise to fame and how I got into the White House.
Exciting, Willow. I've got a book deal, and I'm hoping to be a film star too.
Are you? How old are you now? I heard you were soon to be retired off as Lord Larry. You must be on your eighth life by now.
Age is just a number, Willow. I'm young at heart, and I can still give the local wildlife a workout when I chase them off. Anyway, how would you like an adventure with me? I know a man with a jet. Have you been to London before, Pussycat?
Oh, Lordy, that sounds amazing. It will make such a great episode.